Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking, and Canning, where we do a daily review on the growth of the garden. If you're watching us on YouTube, please like and subscribe. If you're following us on Rumble, please give us a follow and subscribe. Well, our raspberry bush continues to make the best of it in spite of the Japanese beetles, which have taken a liking to this bush for the past couple of years, and new pestilence in the area. I have traps out, but as we know, these bloody things will smell the traps from 5 miles away. So we have them here, the neighborhood has them. It's only a matter of time before eventually the local fauna starts to take care of the beetles like they do every other insect around here. But it's a small bush, so I don't get too many berries out of it. But they will go into the pot, probably for the last batch of jam. Well, our potted plants are still coming along slowly on this end. I thought there were some buds there, little pepper buds. Do we not get some pepper buds? Yeah, there's one right there. Okay. Slow tomatoes, another pepper plant that was flowering way before this one. I don't see, oh yes, okay, there's a pepper right there. Very good. And the tomatoes slowly coming along. And the other peppers have been coming in handy for 2 batches of zucchini pickles. And Seymour, the giant sunflower, continues to grow. So they had a chance of rain last night. Typical, just a chance. A lot of heat, a lot of humidity, no rain. No problem. Everything is damp though. So our potatoes continue to survive, mostly because of the Twice Daily mild soapy spray to try to deal with the black flea beetles. And they'll be sprayed again this morning. There's one of them bloody beetles there. Yeah, little buggers. The other potatoes are in the same boat. But, you know, the plants are still perking, right? If they were doing really bad, all these stalks would just be flopping over. They'd all be going as bad as this one here. Our beans. Oh good, some more beans to harvest today. Had some yesterday. First time. Well, I mean, I had some last week, or like, yeah. Except I had a decent bundle today. Enough to have far too many greens that I didn't need to collect any peas for supper. Yeah, I just fried it up with a bit of garlic for about 4 minutes on medium heat, and then simmered it on low with some soy sauce until they were done. delicious. Ah, yes. There's still some. Well, the onions are growing just fine. I'll soon be trying to harvest them. And the kale. Can't kill the kale. Well, you can. It's just a very hardy plant. And the dill continues to be available live for canning. Our zucchini and carrots, very, very healthy. The plants continue to be adjusted with the stake, like this one here. As you see, they continue to grow upwards. We should have some zucchinis to collect today. Oh, I thought this one would be a little bigger. Yeah, there's that one down there. Oh, there we go. I knew there was one. Yeah, that'll have to come off. All right, not enough to can today then. And, oh my goodness. Ah, look at you. Huh? Already at it, laying eggs. Yeah. Yeah, every second day. Give it a turmeric milk spray. Seems to help fend those off. And stay two, laying eggs on it. New growth portion. Okay. The squashes are coming along fine. Okay. You have the squash box. Oh, squashes. All right. Let's go look in on Butch in the front box. And right after I go deal with those eggs. Well, here we are in front. Let's go look at Butch. This is not Butch. This is the other giant sunflower we have growing. And I see our pumpkin is aggressively reaching for the sun. This pumpkin plant's doing very well. Butch here continues to live in spite of almost being decapitated as a very young plant. All right, how are we doing over there? Well, you're still struggling, mostly because you're not getting too much sun. Lavender doing well. All right, how's the battle in here? Okay, what's this? That's odd. Oh, no, okay. All right. As long as we don't let the morning glories choke out those squashes that are trying to grow. We'll just have to keep an eye on that. And yeah, look at that. Morning glories continuing to grow alongside of the house, following that string. Very nice. And of course, this beautiful coverage going all the way up. And we're not even mid-July. Well done. And our birdshit berry bush. Our birdshit here in a berry bush group. Yeah, it's getting very near the end, eh? Hardly any berries left. They've all been picked over. Just a very few. Getting quicker to pick them. All right, well, that's my next task. Get some long sleeves, long pants on, come out here and pick these before it gets too hot. Then I'll have some breakfast. Then we'll make up a turmeric spray for the garden. Then we'll wait for the threat of rain to go by. The turmeric spray will happen late in the day, not during the sun. And the garden will continue to grow. And if you hung out to the very end, I appreciate all of you being here. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.